How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm showing you guys the custom mudguard or fender, whatever you want to call it, for the GT2 that I came up with. I have two reasons for changing the mudguard that's in the back. One of the reason is I don't really like the way that it looks. I think it covers up just a little bit too much of the design that's back here. I want it to look more sporty, and it makes this look like one of those rental scooters. That's the way that I see it. But I changed it, and the second reason is because it makes it really difficult to fit this scooter in the back of a car with the old mudguard there, because the old mudguard extends way out, but when you're trying to fit it in the car in the back, it hits the door. I tried the full-size car and a mid-size car. The full-size car, it would not even fit. So that's one of the other reasons why I got rid of it. This is gonna be way much easier to fit in the back of a car. Let me just show you guys what I did. I might change this later. This is just the first attempt, so I might change this later, make it into something else, upgrade it and all that stuff, but this is just a start. So you guys don't abuse me in the comment like, what the hell is that? But I just prefer this. It's my own preference. If you like the old one, thing that looks like a dinosaur, you are welcome to still keep that on yours, but I'm just showing you guys an alternative for those who, you can see the size of this. I can't even fit this on the camera. Look at the size of this thing. It's ridiculously huge. Like, let me just pan the camera up and show you guys what we're talking about here. Like, this thing extends and covers like all the way from the footrest area and still covers the new mudguard that's in there. That's crazy. And it just extends way out. But anyway, let me show you guys closer to the new mudguard that we have now. I'm stepping away from the audio, so if you guys don't hear me clearly, I apologize for that. I just want to show you guys the mudguard, how everything is. See, you see the back right here makes this look more, when we talk about GT, the way that I think about GT, I think about sporty, exposed cable, like modification. So that's why I wanted the back of this area to be exposed, like you can see it. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm talking about, but anyway, this is what I did. I used the same screws that were on the old mudguard. I used the same thing. I made this area, I fabricated this metal area and made sure that it fits on the same area for the old mudguard. And then I also came up with this mounting bracket right here that mounts to this mudguard. Now you guys are probably like, where did you get this mudguard? This was my old mudguard for my Dutron Thunder 2. That's what I actually used. Okay, so if you're looking to do the same thing, Dutron Thunder 2 mudguard, you can look them up on AliExpress. They're pretty cheap. You can get one of those. And then I attached two bolts here to attach it. It's actually a hole that's already drilled underneath this mudguard that you can use, so you don't have to drill any. I didn't have to drill any hole. The only thing I have to drill holes on, these things that I fabricated myself, these are the things that I have to drill hole on, but on the scooter or on the mudguard, it's already drilled. I'm still waiting for more bolts. So on the side right here, there's one bolt missing. The same thing on the other side, because I'm still waiting for two bolts that I ordered that are going to be going right here. And this thing is solid. It's not gonna be moving around. So that's it. I just like the way this is exposed now. Like, it looks crazy, it looks better. You know, the front of the GT2 already looks aggressive. I just wanted the back to look a little bit more interesting. I just think that the mudguard, the old mudguard, was covering way too much. There's more to be exposed in the back of the design of this electric scooter, and I just wanted that to be more exposed, and that's why I prefer this mudguard. Now I also figured out a way to mount the light. As you guys can see, the light is back there. It looks really nice. The light is actually way higher, which is more visible than the old mudguard. The old mudguard, the light was all the way down here. See, that's it. It was all the way down here. I don't know, I think it's more difficult for cars to even see that light all the way down here, but now that it's up here, I think it's more visible for the cars that are coming behind you. All right, so you guys can see the light works, the way that it's connected back there, everything works. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.